Alright guys, my name is Elia and welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you top 5 things that I like about my Robinhood Gold account, and just don't follow me. That's just my opinion. It doesn't mean that everybody gonna like it, and I know a lot of people hate Robinhood, but I still like it. In the end of the day, it does their job. The app is very helpful and very easy to use, and let's be honest, all brokerage accounts has their own problems, so you can't say like, oh, Robinhood blah blah is not a good brokerage account because once they had a problem. Believe me, TD Ameritrade, Webull, and etc., they all have problems. But before we start, click that like button, follow me, and comment down below. Please help me grow. It's so important, and I will make even more great videos for you so you can learn on my mistakes or on my knowledge. It all depends. Okay, and number one thing that nobody can beat: price. It's so cheap. Come on guys, $5 per month. Really? Even if you're 10 years old, most likely your parents gave you more money per week than $5. It's so cheap, and it comes with so many awesome things, so it's not even a brainer. Just buy it. $5 a month. I mean, come on, you're investing. You can spend $5 a month for a better product, for more information on the market and trading, and other perks. We're gonna talk about it in this video. Number 2, margin. Margin with 5% interest. That's crazy. Come on guys, 5% interest. I'm not telling to anyone to use margin. Margin trading is very risky. It's very dangerous. You can lose a lot of money, and that's not yours money. If you think they're free and you can lose them and nothing gonna happen, no, that's not right. You always have to pay margin off, so this is not how it works. But it's so cheap, 5%, and it's 5% interest over $1,000. So if you spend less than $1,000, you don't pay anything, only $5 per month. So you can use $1,000 in margin and pay nothing for it, just for Robinhood Gold, and that's good. It's so good. It's one of the cheapest. And if you have a Robinhood debit card, which is cash management card, you can use that margin to buy things, like not stocks, just whatever. You can go to McDonald's and buy your girlfriend a lunch or something like that and pay only 5%. You can even use Robinhood's margin to pay your credit cards off, because most likely your credit card has 20+% per year, and margin has only 5%. That's crazy, and that's so awesome. Number 3, higher deposit amount. Well, on Robinhood, they give you a higher deposit amount also if you put more money on a Robinhood account, but also with Robinhood Gold, they're instant deposit. So the money, if you're depositing, it usually takes 3 to 4 days for Robinhood to take your money from your bank to deposit to your brokerage account. But with instant deposit, you can do it right away, and Robinhood Gold pushing this number a little bit higher, and it's so good. It's not like you're using it a lot, but sometimes when you have a great opportunity and all your money on brokerage, you already invested in something and you need it right away to buy, to make profit, because you can see that opportunity. Robinhood Gold with increased instant deposit, it's awesome. It saved me so many times. I see an opportunity, I deposit, and voila, I have money right away, and I can do this move so I can make extra money. And I think sometimes it's very important. Number 4, level 2 data. Yes, level 2 data, some people don't like it because they say that it's not informative. And in the beginning, I didn't even look at it because, I don't know, it didn't really do a good job for me. But now, over time, I think level 2 data, it's very important, and it can show you if the stock is going up or down this day. And you can do it. You can analyze level 2 data on 1, 2, 3 a week, and you can make your own decisions on the stock market. Of course, a lot of brokerage offers you level 2 data. It's not a new thing. Everybody, you can pretty much sometimes somebody even do it for free, but I think that it's a really good price for level 2 data on Robinhood, just $5 a month plus all other perks, so it's not a brainer. Just go into it, but you have to read about it, and most likely I'm gonna make a video about level 2 data and how it helps me to trade, but definitely gonna use it, so don't be greedy. Pay $5, you will use it, believe me. And number 5, and which is I already talked about, it's you can use your margin for your own purchases, and this is great. I really think that 5%, you don't even have to use margin to trade. You can use margin only to make purchases outside of the market. You can pay off your credit card, you can pay off your rent. That's crazy. With 5%, even personal loans won't give you 5%. You have to have a really good credit score for 5% loan, which is almost impossible. And here, margin 5% and $5 per month. That's crazy. That's the greatest thing ever. You can do whatever. If you're really stuck somewhere in your life, especially with coronavirus right now, a lot of people lost their jobs and all this stuff, and credit card fees are crazy. Credit cards, APRs are crazy. 24%, 25%. After 10 years of credit score, after 10 years of credit story, with having almost 800 points on my credit score, FICO, TransUnion, and other, the best APR on my credit card, which is Chase United, it's 16%. 16. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. Come on, guys, really? And Robinhood will give you 5%. Sure, you're gonna need a debit card. It took me forever to get mine, but I know right now, with time goes by, cards from Robinhood are actually coming in really, really quick, maybe a month or so. Well, that's a good thing. It's a small hack how you can use margin on your own purchases, and sometimes maybe it will save you too. Maybe you can pay your high APR credit card or personal loan, or maybe you're not doing anything. You want to stay home and do some renovations. Use margin. 5%, that's crazy. That's the best money ever, and you know how much you can spend right away, because Robinhood will tell you how much money you have available in your account. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. My name is Elia. Follow me, click the like button, and comment down below. Please just make my channel grow, and I'll make even more videos for you guys. Thank you.